There is parking.
Yeah?
Getting here.
Where the heck are we? It's only like 5 o'clock in the morning. There's all kinds of people coming in off the street. And we're coming to something that happens once every year in Reno. You'll just have to keep watching here. There's some hot air balloons over there that are going to take off this morning. And this is called the hot air balloon races, I guess. And we thought we'd drive out here and walk out here. And they open the gates. They open the gates at 3:30.
Yes.
What park is this, baby?
San Rafael.
San Rafael Park. It's a really big grassy area over here. And they're supposed to have, oh, I don't know, 100 balloons, hot air balloons here. I think they advertise it as 200 hot air balloons. And they start, they do a glow in the dark thing at 5 o'clock in the morning. And then they do something else. And then you watch them take off. I think they take off like at 7 o'clock in the morning. And we're only 5 something. But we still we still have to walk. We can walk this way? Okay.
They have wheels.
Yeah. Okay. We're just following. We've never really done this before. We thought we'd make the extra effort to come out here. And I'll show you what it's all about in a minute.
Here, baby.
Come on.
They're playing to the music.
our Glow show, well, golly, let them know about it. Thank you. And we thank all the pilots for getting up and being prepared for our early morning Super Glow show. We'll ask you now to de-inflate, put the balloons down, because we're going to get ready for the fabulous Dawn Patrol. 7 wonderful balloons and pilots will be ultimately climbing up into our dark Nevada sky in a light bulb effect, all choreographed to music. We'll be giving you introductions of our pilots in just a moment. You'll get to meet the Dawn Patrol.
Cool, the Dawn Patrol's coming up.
84.
A real tradition. Started back in Albuquerque years and years ago at the Balloon Festival, and have been part of our show for all of those years.
I think it's, they glow in the dark. They've got lights. See, they're behind a little bit. That's supposed to start at 5, and it's already past 5. But hey, you come out here early. You know, the gates open at 3:30. You can be here at 4 o'clock, 4:30, and you won't miss a thing.
Reminding when you go